Hi guys, Stone here with Actionable Insights. Welcome to MatterHacks, a video series brought to you by us. Today we're going to be talking about a new beta feature that I'm really excited about. As of October 2024, Matterport has released their Defurnish beta. Follow this link to learn more. As you know, we here at Actionable Insights promote utilizing and leveraging geospatial data for documentation, reducing claims friction, and getting your claim resolved quickly. As we said before, we don't want you to race against the machines. We want you to race with the machines. Here it is. This is awesome, guys. It gives you the ability to see a space unfurnished with the click of a button. So here it is. I've got an example scan open. This is a landscaping office. As you can see, there's a myriad of mixed office furniture, the entryway of the building. Now, Matterport does express that this beta tool currently works best in a residential setting. We wanted to push the limits and see where this got us. As Cole says, we see ourselves as the scientists in the lab, tinkering with the tools and testing their limits, see what they can really do. This is going to be awesome, guys. So take a look at the bottom left corner of my screen. There's a Defurnish icon available now. Watch what happens when I click on this. That's awesome. Everything has come off of the walls. Everything is off of the countertop. The Christmas tree is gone. And as soon as I click on this button again, the furniture pops back up. So this gives you a really easy way to see what the space would look like without any furnishings. I'm going to take this to the next step. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to move forward a couple of spaces. You can see this is a regular employee break room. Watch this. I click on the Defurnish button. Boom. This room is empty. This is pretty amazing. It does get a little quirky in some spots. In this case, as we said before, this isn't a typical residential setting, so these are some items that it's not quite used to, but the effect is really good. I'll click on this button again. The furniture comes back. Now watch. I'm going to walk in my scan to this back area, back into this garage. There's a lot of stuff in here. It's 2 giant trucks, a bunch of tools, a bunch of toolboxes. Watch what happens as soon as I click this Defurnish button. That's freaking cool. This gives you a great way to see what the space would look like without all the furniture. It's a great way to reference sizes, shapes, the general open spaces of a room, and quickly jump back to having furniture within the space. So this is a new feature available with scans that you have uploaded. Currently, if you have an older scan still on your iPad that you'd like to use this feature for, you just need to make a modification to it, upload it up to your account, and then you'll have this Defurnish option available. This is great, guys. Super excited about this. Super excited to see where this goes as this tool is further refined and developed. If you like this video, click like, make a comment below, share us. Otherwise, thanks to Matterport for being our training partner. We are excited to see this technology grow. Take care, guys.